If you want to instantly upgrade your space without a full makeover, strip wall paint ideas are a smart and stylish choice. Striped walls add depth, movement, and personality to any room, making them perfect for modern homes. Whether bold or subtle, stripes can completely change how a space looks and feels. Vertical stripes are ideal for rooms with low ceilings because they visually increase height and make the space feel taller. Soft color combinations like white and beige, cream and pastel gray, or blush and ivory create an elegant and calming effect. Horizontal stripes, on the other hand, make narrow rooms appear wider and more spacious, especially when done in light tones. For a modern look, thin stripes in neutral shades give a clean and minimalist vibe. If you prefer something playful, wide stripes or multicolor designs work beautifully in kids' rooms and creative spaces. You can also try accent striped walls behind beds, sofas, or TV units to create a strong focal point without overwhelming the room. Matte finishes offer a soft, sophisticated look, while a mix of matte and satin stripes adds subtle texture. With the right color balance and stripe width, strip wall paint ideas bring rememberable style, structure, and freshness to your interior design. Artist palette sparkles.